Blay pi baro ai pedang subhai pi sya katup kubor mentega janmiat syaban pai shi kubor ini pechwai kimat bekongsan. Baro ki bawan pai sya kejela kin hab manle ya ka RT-PCR test shen on sa sedang trade kambiang ki lingsun na umroi syakol kata. Kasoka jela kan sepenmi ya ki kendon an baki breu ki hab deng ya ki jingdak mut shentur bat ban yeng ni syong jengai iwei na iwei barok ki jaka pat ba on sarai ke soka la syai ke sgi man sedang pli biang ia ke yodo bat polis bazar kami Meghalaya kelala ban le ia ke jemput beniat lembaga telemedicine tang hapo shibenai bala pelat pat ba Sinjam terikam berbahar kata ke projek face mask banyakun persya ia ke kelam COVID-19 haka jelah Kikubor ki babnya. Menteri ketenat kekot kekhia kesoka jela uba hek nen kesngi ula ai ia ka jingken ki bedai bat ka jingpang COVID-19 kat hadu ke apply tarik ujemang ahajar arpo. Kini ki jingken ki long kumni harum. Ki tes baro ki beladap banle ki long hadu sahaja sanspa lai pra. Ki beri ki belong negatif ne ki bomdon yau kenyang jingpang ki long hadu sahaja aspa arpusau. Baro ki belong positif ni ki belayo ya uniu kenyang jingpang ki long khat sangut kentup ya uwei ubala khlat no khat arngut ki wei pat ki la jam batang iwei ibadang pang menta kat hadu hnen ke sngi ke jela kadang ap se ke kai pot jong ki test na ke benta ki lai spangut ki breu ki belawan pai na Bengaluru ki don hadu shihaja south spa laingut la pha test ya ki san spa lai puar ki nong bat ki ba omdan jingma bat ru na pedeng ki ni ki bayo ya kenyang jingpang corona bat baro ki long negatif
23rd May, 2 p.m., 4538. Number of person tested negative is 4224. Number of person tested positive, 14, 1 disease, 12 recovered, and 1 active case. The number of test results awaited is 300 people. Then the person who just arrived yesterday from Bangalore, coming yesterday from Bangalore, there were 1403. 532 had been taken the samples and when sent for the test, already tested, all of them found negative.
Sembut mencerang ba kejela uba preston tensong nen kesngi ulaya tu ba manu-manu ki bawan sya kejela la kalong daki lingsun ya daki rel ki hab bet banle ya ka RT-PCR test ula benrap ru ba ansa sedang penteri kambiang no ikiling sunya umroi syakol kata hakini kita yo banwan kene kalong kat kum karai jong katanat civil aviation ban sedang biang ia ka jing penteri kam ia kiling sun ulia tu bala penbiang ia kirel bekerpang na Telangana Haryana Delhi bat Jaipur banlet shaw ia kinong shong ke jela ke badang sakut syagitei ki jaka kini kirel ki lapoi nen kesngi don ki bala poi menta bat sngi bat ki weipat kin poi menta katayo Ule tu syuk-syuk balabu ya ki jaka bashipo ban lom jingtip ya ki bawan pai haga jaka yang rel Hagawati Railway Station bat haga kat lingsun jong Hagawati bat umroi ban yarap ya ki bawan pai.
State government today has again decided to resume the air traffic from Kolkata to Umroi. Most likely next week. Protocols, SOPs has to be adhered to in totality. And as you also know, most of them, they are coming back from the red zone or containment zone of different parts of the nation.
Ka sorka jelas shen gan sawanra i kendon an beki briu ki hab bandeng bet ya ki jingda khmut shentur ni ki face mask bat kumju ru ban shong ni yang jingai iwei ni iwei lada ki don ha ki jaka pat ba abe kran bat ki la pathai khubor nen ka sngi usumbut menteri rangba uba preston tensong ule thu bak soka kan sabu ru ya ki jingdan kuna lada ki briu ki penkhen ya ki ni kendon ka soka jela la shai ka sngi kan sa shem ya ka rai ha ka bedai bak ka jingpli ya ki katu kat ni ki benta jong ka yodo bat khandai lat Usembut menturang ba ulai tu bahak kajingelang ke beladap laikran halo kajingdon kam menpeli biang ia kayo bat yakilat kilenti bat kirukom terikam hakaba ya day bat kene keliang on sekran la syai gesngi.
This issue we have asked the Deputy Commissioner along with Chief Secretary to work out the legalities and come back on Monday on Monday a review meeting and decision will be taken.
Tanghapo Shibnai bala pentrai kam ya ka telemedicine ne kerukom ajing sumar ya ka balala banye keren bat ki doktor lembaki kor ki bor ka jela Meghalaya kalala ban ajing sumar ya iwei inong pang na ka benta ban pui beniat ringkat ka jingadon bentalang jong doktor uba na United States hakaba ma uru ulapet lemba ka TV ha ka juk ka por bala pui ya ka benian ya kene ka jing sumar la le ha jenggal ha West Garo Hills District ya kene rukom ajing sumar la pelat pajba ha ka ap hunai terik uyayong da umin tudang ba ka jela u konrad ki sangma bala pentrai kam ya ka ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela abakran ba ka di news Shillong u health commissioner u la ong ba ka jing temu jong kene ka senjam ka long ba anam bu shadian ya kinu ki jing sumar ki badon kam tang namar ba yakhun ban ya le persya ya ka jing pang covid-19 ha ka jela bat kalong shisha ka jing ai mensim ban yo I ya ka jing trai kam jong kene ka senjam kham tam ha ki thain nong kendong ka jela
is required at this point of time is that the a technology that would actually connect those who require medical care seamlessly, so that actually impact the solutions of telemedicine. We thought about it and we have encouraged all the hospitals and also especially the migrants and all the our PHCs, CHCs to start this telemedicine in their own way.
Na ka jing temu ban pen mi pisa lemba ki jing ruai na ka benta ban yakhun ya klam novel coronavirus ka kan huon jong ka Shillong Chamber Choir kum shibenta jong ka I for India ka balong ka way na kiran san ka bahe ka ri ya ka balatip kum ka home to home concert ni ka lempung ruai ya ka ba ki brew ki la ban pet na yeng kala pensho biet shisha ya ki nong snap ha ka ba ki la ruai ya ka way ka jing ruai na ka film jong Raj Kumar balatip kum ka piasa bat ya ka jing ruai Lonely Got Hurt na ka film The Sound of Music Ladon ka jing ong baki por jong ka jing jenjar ka pen I ya ka jing long ba shisha jong ki breu bat kamnyar bandon ki breu ki ba pen kala ya ki ni ki jing jenjar sha ka buk siar ka jing khie jong ka klam corona ka bala pen khi wen ya ka perthai baro ka wei ka lakta shibun ru ya ka jala Henry wala kata om baro ki jing kermen ki ladu namar ka ni ka kan huon jong ki khun samla na Shillong hapo ka shatri jong ka project face mask kila shim mi ka benta ba kongsan ban yarap ya ki nong Meghalaya ban ya le ya ka ni ka klam ha ka rukom ka ba compare ka ni ka long ka khubor ka bamnya
Lingba ka jing persyang ban pen orlong ya ka ni ka senjam u Gary Nongrum ula pen mi jing tho ha Facebook ha ka arpanyo terek ulber hajar arpho menta ka ni ka senjam kala nang yar ka jing trai kam jong ka ya ka ni ka senjam la tip kum ka project face mask hapdeng ka jing yakhon ka bating jong ka jilla ban yele persya ya ka jing pang ka jing duna bat ka jing bam yo ya ki jing dak mut chentor ni ki face mask khamtam ki tu ki breu ki bam la kot bor ban thiet kala pen long ye u Gary bat ki parlok jong u kum shiken hon ban mi shakhmat bat wat ikilat ki lenti ban wang ye ki ni ki jing namar ki snok tho sha ya ka jing don kam jong kamas ban yada na ka jing sapriang uknyang jing pang.
It started off by like a discussion with a few friends during the start of the lockdown. When we used to go shopping, we saw that a lot of people didn't have like a basic face mask, and a lot of these people who came from weaker sections of the community and as well were shopkeepers. So I somehow made a Facebook post and luckily that got a little bit viral and a lot of people came forward to help us out.
Kawai na kilat ka ba kila ban weng ya kini ki jing kalong ba kinso hiya ki mas da ki jan ki bakot da ki jan ki balarim bat bam pendon kam shu kum tau Gary bat ki parlog jong u kilas dang ban lom ye ki brek ba kinthop na do kinong so jan kum jo ye ki tu ki brek ki banang ban penwan dor bha ye ki jan ki rukom bi itanat kinong de jan bat kinu ki bakwa ban yarap Lingba ka ni ka jing le lala ban pen orlong ya ka ni ka senjam jong ka jing try kam balatip kum ka project face mask.
When I was first approached with the idea, we did not expect it to grow so much. When we first started Swing Mask, we had produced just a limited amount, but after seeing how big of a requirement it was, we decided to make as many as we could because we had our machines at home and probably more time than we could ever ask for. So I was very happy to see people actually coming together and the whole team working towards producing a substantial amount of masks and contributing in this little way that we could.
Naduk belas dang ya kani gasin jam hau benai leber. Lingba ka project face mask lala bansam bun teli ki mas syakispa ngut ki beriu ha keleng ki benta jong ka jela. Barok ki jinglut jingsep latip hi dak dekhot jong kani kin hun bat kitu ki bak don kamon ban no sngo bhasha kani kam. Namar ki nget bak kini ki dei ki por jong ka jing bat mano ki bala ban yarap ki la ban wan chakmat ban no jing yarap.
These are difficult times for everyone, like rich or poor, regardless whichever religion you belong to, whichever caste you belong to. This disease does not discriminate. This virus does not discriminate against anyone, and it's our responsibility for the people who have to give back to people who cannot afford, to support each other, to lift each other up, and as well as to be supportive of like the government who's taking steps like to ensure our safety.
Bureau Report, DD News Shillong.
Mentapang inyepet ya kejing long jing man jong sun beneng. Ka jing shit jing track sun beneng ha Shillong ka long apply degree Celsius men step bat khat nyo 0.9 degree Celsius jan miet. Ka jing skam ka hau ka long prapulai ni shispa men step bat prapuwei ni shispa jan miet. Ka sun beneng kan dum o Shillong bat ki jaka bamajan kala ro bandon ka jing hap slap bat ka jing tiet upertat. Shaban poi shi ka bakut jong tup khuboi ni pek biang sa sia ni kini kimat bakong san. Barok ki bawan pai shi ka jela kan hap ban le ya ka RT-PCR test send on sedang trai kam biang ki lingsun na umroi shi Kolkata. Kasoka jela kan sepeni iki kendon an bagi beliau ki hap bandeng ya ki jungda kmut shentur bat ban yeng ni shong jangai iwei ni iwei abarok ki jaka pat ba. On sarai kasoka la syai keski ban sedang peli biang ya ke yodo bat polis bazar. Meghalaya kelala bande ya ke jingput beniat lembaga telemedicine tang hapok shibna bala pelat pat ba. Bat kesin jam terikam berbahag kata ke projek face mask menyekun persya ya ke kelam COVID-19 ha ke jelah. Kepala kat tungi lapoi syabakut jong ketuk kubor jing mentaka janmiat haduk menyesam selesai kesengi ha ke juk kepoh beli shibuni pi baro.